In the quiet fields of this great nation, heroes rise before dawn. They bend their backs to feed us. They fight the sun, the rain, the soil, and too often they fight the system itself. Across this country, I have seen their struggle. Farmers planting with courage, even when the land no longer promises rain. Women carrying baskets to empty markets, praying their crops survive the journey. Youth tilling the soil with bare hands because machines are too expensive. These are the people who keep this nation alive. These are the people I speak for. These are the people I will serve. Our farmers are not weak. They are wounded. Wounded by insecurity, by poor roads, by lack of support, and by leaders who eat without sowing. They grow the nation's food, yet many go to bed hungry. Many of these same people that grow this go to bed hungry. They work the hardest, yet remain the poorest. They carry hope in their hands, yet watch their harvest rot for lack of storage, transport, and power. We cannot call ourselves a great nation while the hands that feed us are forgotten. We cannot depend on imports when our land is rich and waiting. It is time to return power to the soil and respect to the farmer. We will rebuild rural roads to connect farmers to markets. We will make fertilizer, tools, and machinery affordable and accessible. We will secure farmlands with local security forces trained and trusted by their own communities. We will provide credit without corruption, so the farmer does not beg to plant. We will invest in irrigation and storage, so food never goes to waste. Because food security is national security. And when we protect our farmers, we protect our nation. That is why I am running for president. To rebuild the roots of our economy. To reward the sweat that feeds us. To unite the soil and the people who make it live. This is not politics. This is survival. If the farmer fails, the nation fails. If the farmer fails, our nation will fall. But if the farmer rises, Nigeria will stand tall again. It is Nigeria's turn. A turn toward truth, a turn toward unity, a turn toward rebuilding. So to every farmer listening, from the rice fields of Kebbi to the cassava farms of Abia to the cocoa groves of Ondo, your struggle is not forgotten. Your sweat is sacred, and your strength is the future we are fighting for. So let us rebuild your hope. Let us restore your power and make Nigeria grow from the ground again. Because when we honor the hands that feeds us, we feed generations to come.